I'm Rorie of Full and Free. I'm a health coach, recipe developer, and busy mom. Let's go, Rorie's on fire. I want to show you that healthy food can be delicious, quick and easy, and fit into your lifestyle without missing a beat. My favorite thing about Pesach is the simplicity of the food. When it comes to roasts, people still tend to rely on a lot of the sweeteners and the sugary sauces. You can also make a savory meat that is so robust and just bursting with flavor, and I'm gonna show you my favorite new recipe today. So our veggies are all chopped and ready to go. We're gonna head over to the frying pan with some olive oil. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Rub it in. And the next ingredient is really what makes this recipe pop. I love cooking with red wine. It gives everything so much flavor. I try to use it wherever I can. So once it's completely cooled, you're gonna slice your roast against the grain. We talked about using simple ingredients, but there is nothing simple about the flavor in this roast. Chag Sameach, everyone.